The iStereo-0745 B1 Stereo Microscope offers a high-quality optical system and a durable, reliable operating mechanism. With a full range of accessories and diverse configuration options, it meets the high-precision requirements of modern biology, medicine, scientific research, online inspection in the electronics industry, and other technological and industry fields. The observation head is inclined at 45 degrees, with adjustable diopter on both eyepieces and an interpupillary distance range of 15.4 to 17.6 mm. The hinged binocular head features 0.7 to 4.5 times continuous zoom, with a zoom ratio of 6.4 to 1, ensuring perfocality across the entire magnification range. Dual-side focusing, comfortable and convenient operation, allowing users to choose the focusing hardware on the side close to them. B1 baseband with a black and white stage plate and spaceman clips. The zoom knob provides smooth and precise adjustment, while the dual-side focusing handlebars ember finer, more delicate control over focusing. The trinocular tube features built-in plus or minus 5 diopter adjustment, allowing diopter composition without the need for adjustable eyepieces.